Hey guys, Travis Hollins from Yamaha here. We built the all-new 2021 Wolverine RMAX2 1000 to be the most versatile machine to tackle all environments better than any other machine in the industry. With that in mind, we have a full lineup of Yamaha Genuine accessories available. But first, I wanted to talk to you about why you should always use Yamaha accessories. First, we design, engineer, and test every one of them in-house. This assures that they're proven off-road tough. These are not farmed out to some vendor that's never seen the machine. Second, we have the total picture. Our windshields work with the sun tops. Those work with the cabs. That works with the cargo boxes. This ensures that every genuine Yamaha accessory works together. We add additional support structures and mounting points to the RMAX 1000 in the production line to support the accessories. Let's start by talking protection. As you can see, the front grab bar adds additional protection to the bodywork, headlights, and front grille. Next, check out the front skid plate. This aluminum guard is backed up with a steel backing plate for additional impact resistance while still looking great. The A-arm guards are full aluminum and mount directly to the A-arms with factory mounting points and recessed hardware. The factory grab bar also has mounting points for these pod lights that provide a floodlight pattern, and check out the Warren Axon 4,500 pound winch. You'll notice it mounts perfectly into the factory grab bar and is wired directly with our plug-and-play wiring kit. This mounting location tucks the winch out of harm's way while still giving access to the spool release. Now let's talk Yamaha Genuine Accessories poly windshields. We offer three options: half, full, and fold down. These are all made from shatter-resistant polycarbonate that is hard-coated on both the inside and the outside. That makes our windshields as much as 300% more scratch resistant. All of these use a simple clamp that requires no tools for easy on and off installation. And here's an example of that integration I was talking about earlier. Check out how tight the windshield is to the sun top and the dash, preventing any cold air from finding its way through. And right above that, check out the 60-watt LED light bar. The sun top has pre-marked mounting locations and is designed to completely seal. All right, now let's head inside the Wolverine RMAX2 1000. We evaluated most audio kits available, and as you can imagine, the speakers in the door had the best sound quality, but they needed speaker pods to really bring out that rich sound, so we built these custom pods to mount the 6.5-inch marine grade speakers in the door. Now, to really bring out the full potential of this system, we have a self-powered 200-watt 10-inch subwoofer that mounts under the seat and takes this system to a whole new level. Let's not forget about the center mirror. This is the same mirror that comes standard on our XTR and LE models. Easy to adjust, wide angle, and a clear, undistorted image makes this the best mirror in the market. The second battery kit will give you the peace of mind to run that amazing audio kit as much as you would like without worrying about killing the starting battery. The Wolverine RMAX2 is designed to go places most others won't even think about. To keep your machine looking good, but also taking it where you want, these rock sliders will protect your side frame rails from trail-inflicted damage. Heading towards the back of the RMAX2, this spare tire carrier allows you to securely mount a spare tire while not taking up any valuable cargo space. Mounting is handled by bolting directly to the factory mounts and allows the cargo bed to retain its dumping function. This mount also works with all the rear window and cab options. Check out this cargo box. It fits in either the front or the rear of the cargo bed, is water resistant, lockable, and mounts with no tools. And when you're staying out on the trail after the sun sets or even before it rises, the bed light makes sure you can see everything in your cargo space. These are plug and play and mount directly into the sun top with integrated locations. Together, the rear brush and A-arm guards provide additional protection to the tailgate and axle components. And with integrated mounting locations, these are easily installed for a top-of-the-line fit and finish. Now let's talk tires. The tires that come on the RMAX are some of the best tires in the industry, but we know our customers have specialized needs and love to make their machine unique to their own style. For that, we offer a variety of tires and wheels for the RMAX. Here we have the MotoClaw with true beadlock wheels. This is just a small example of the awesome accessories that we have available for the RMAX 1000. Be sure to check out shopyamaha.com for a full lineup of accessories and how to purchase them. Let's reimagine adventure.